Hey everybody, this is Deidra with Texas Pads. I'm a realtor in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and if you didn't know, now you do. Today we're going to be discussing new home construction in the McKinney area, and we're going to be focusing up on grand homes. We're going to be looking at one of their models that they have on display there right now, and it's called the Grand Martinique. Try saying that 3 times fast. Grand Martinique, Grand Martinique, Grand Martinique. Okay. Anyway, let's get into it. Here we go. McKinney, Texas is in this red area here. As you can see, it's just north of the Dallas area. It's a real up and coming area. 380 runs right through it. 75. So you have easy access to wherever you're going. If you're going downtown to work, you have access there. If you're going over here towards Denton or Frisco area, 121 is a tollway. The 380 is just a big fast road. The 75, of course, is a freeway that goes down non-toll. And you're free to hop up on the HOV if you share a ride for that. Let's see here. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this floor plan here. This is the Grand Martinique 5-bedroom, 4-bath house. We're going to try to look at some of the different elevations they have here. They do offer 7 different elevations up on this floor plan. Again, this comes with a 2-car garage. The model home that we're looking at does have some upgrades, so we'll get into that as well. This is some different options here. You have stone, you have the cedar post on the front porch, brick. This one is one of my favorites because it kind of gives you that West Coast vibe. It has stucco and tile roof. It's not very common in Texas, so it's really nice when you see something a little different that's featured here. So I like this model's floor plan for that purpose. Here we go, another elevation here, brick, stone as well. So you have a couple of different options, and the different elevations, basically what it means is the inside is all the same, but the outside looks different. So sometimes from the street, you can't tell that it's the same floor plan as the one next door because the outsides are so completely different. So you have a little play there. All right, here we go. Floor plan here. This is your dining room, living room area. As you can see, garage. This is your entry where you walk in. And we'll go ahead and get into it. Fireplace is over here. Now, let's see, second floor. Now, I'll tell you, the model that we're looking at, the difference is it has what they call a floating game room. So it actually has 2 game areas and a media room. So right here where it says open below, there will be a game room here on the model that you can add this option. And then right here in this empty space, we will add a media room. So you have more square footage. This plan here does start at $836,900. The model has the upgrade, like I said, the floating game room and the media room. So that's another $39K for that. But then you get extra square footage. And your square footage is up on this home does range from 3,438 to 4,018 square feet. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at some of the photos here. Front living area, hardwood floors. Has the stone in the back there for the wall. Lots of windows, chandeliers. And over here you can see, and I'll point this out later, but this is a little extra sneak, nice little feature that comes with this home that I definitely think can be one of your favorite perks to show off to your guests. See here, living area. Nice chandeliers, nice open concept in the main entry for your area. Office here, bay windows. Grand Home is known for putting bay windows in a lot of places here. Flooring, and then there's of course your stairs and kitchen area. Let's look at this kitchen. We're just gonna go around it. It is really nice. Has 4 bar stools, so nice area for you to sit down. Lots of room at there. This is a quartz countertop. And of course, when you go to the design center, you can get quartz or you can get granite. You have the stove here, gas range top. Here we go. And then look, here goes our little feature again, right in here. This is where I want to get you to. Bam. Your own in-house wine cellar. I mean, how cool is that? You'll never drink all of that. At least I hope you wouldn't. unless you're having a big party. But it's really cool to have some vintage wine in there. When your guests come over, I think you'd definitely love showing that off if you're a wine connoisseur. This is a feature I think that is really cool. Whoever designed this had a plan in mind. As you can see, this is a built-in workstation. And it's right next to the kitchen. So to me, what I'm thinking is that, hey, you put your kid there to start studying, doing their homework, and you can prepare dinner at the same time while keeping an eye on them at the same time. Because when you send them upstairs, you don't really know if they're goofing off or they're working. Here, I can get dinner ready. I can be doing what I need to do in the kitchen and making sure that they're not distracted with any other things going on because they know I'm watching them, right? Here we go. You got your breakfast nook. Look at that fireplace, guys. That's nice. Another bay window here. I like to sit in a bay window and read a book. So, it's really nice. Nice open floor plan. Laundry room, lots of cabinets, lots of countertops. So, lots of space in there that you can use. Here we go. Another main area. The primary bedroom. Look at that chandelier, guys. Look at that floor. Look at those doors. You know, all I need right now is the number to, you know, where they got all this this insides from. Because, I mean, I need an interior designer. So, if you know one, add it in the comments because I need one in my home. Trying to revamp, you know, for the new year. Look at this bathroom here. Freestanding tub, and that tub is amazing. I love, you know, the way it's just kind of right there when you walk into the entry. It's, you know, nice and deep. I can definitely, after a long day, it feels so amazing. A lot of these builders nowadays, they're trying to get rid of the primary tub, and I just don't understand it. I have so many clients that this is a requirement, so I like that Grand Home still offers that. Another cool thing I really liked about this is look at this light fixture here. It's doing some kind of little twirly round thing. I like it. Another bay window. You got the double vanity, one here and another one there, so you don't have to share your vanity. Me, I like to keep my stuff in a certain place and in a certain order, and I don't like when I have to share that space. So I like that I can say, hey, this big one, this big vanity area is for me, and then I'll give that smaller one over there here to my husband. He doesn't need much. Here you got your rain shower head, which is nice walk-in shower. Look at that. It's nice and big. Lots of elbow room. Whenever you're washing your hair, you can really get into it there. Now, here we go upstairs. This, guys, is the floating game room here. So, let's get a closer look at it. You got enough room here for 2 tables, another bay window, pool table. Lots of room here. And the good thing about that is it gives you just more space. I mean, because nowadays your home so much is never too much space. Here you got your wet bar here. So when you have guests over, the upstairs is the spot. So everybody's going to take them downstairs, grab a bottle of wine, come up here, play some cards, put that wine on chill in the fridge here, play a little pool. I mean, upstairs is just like a resort. And then look at this, right off of the room, another feature that you add with this layout that they have up on the model home here is this media room here. And of course, you're playing it dark, and it's already pre-wired for surround sound. You can see surround sound wiring here and here. So definitely, you don't have to go to the movie to go watch. You know, if you're a Marvel fan, a DC fan, Avatar fan, or just a good action movie, you put it on in here. Now, I would probably put me a little bigger TV because I will be here. This will be my spot. And that couch, I want a nice sink-in couch because that's where that'll be my hangout spot. Let's see here. This is a guest bedroom. Another room. And again, guys, this is a 5-bedroom house. Has the home office, game room, floating game room, bathrooms throughout, 4 bathrooms total. And then here we're back at this. Now let me go ahead and show you a little bit about this community while I got you here taking a look. On right here you can see this is one of their other floor plans of Lake Forest, but we're looking at this one right here, the Grand Martinique. And over here at their amenity center, just right back over the way. And we'll just speed it up here. You can see that amenity center. You have the pool, you have a pergola there. It comes with a kitchen, a gym, pool. It's got lots of trails around here. So if you walk, a school back there in the background, guys, if you see that. This is going to be really nice come summertime. I can definitely see swimming here, because in the summer, you never get cool enough. And I want to just stop here. Let's just zoom in just a second. Bam. This is one of the elevations that we were talking about, that whole West Coast feel. You see that with the stucco and the tile roof? You see how that home stands out from the rest of the homes? That is what I'm talking about. I like to be that pop feature. And then we'll just go ahead and zoom back over here. Back here, you can see you have the main road here of Lake Forest. And then back here, it goes all along up in here. That is your tollway, your 121 Sam Rainburn tollway. And I don't know if you peeked it out, but let's just go back over here. Over here, that's your 75. So this is easy access to everything. Very, very nice. Again, guys, we were just here talking about the Grand Martinique. I think you'll love this community over here in Lake Forest, Grand Homes. They have lots of different incentives that they're offering that I can give you more details about. So whether you're looking to purchase a new home from Grand Homes or from any other builder in any other city besides McKinney, definitely leave me a comment below or go ahead and private message me. I have my contact information. We look forward to working with you. If you would like me to feature any other community on this channel, please go ahead and let me know. I think it's time, speaking of wine, time for me to go get me a glass. Until next time, take it easy.